can use AI to generate your very own logos for free? If yes, then you've come to the right video, because in today's video, we'll be learning how we can use AI to generate our logos for free. So without further ado, I'm Prajan Shabi from Web Creators, and let's get started. So first of all, you're going to search for render for forest and click on enter. Then you can go to logo maker. Then tell them about your logo. I think my name would be the diners. And then hit generate. As you can see, it's generating. And there you go, it has created your logos. Now, here comes the next part. You can add your slogan here, like your food is our responsibility. Next, you can add keywords like stylish, modern, and elegant and professional. And if you want to choose a style, you can choose it from here, but I think it's quite nice. I think I don't need it, so I'm going to hit generate. As you can see, it has created our logos. I think I like this one out of all of them, so I'm going to click on download because I don't need any changes. If you want to create changes, you can click on customize logo and then you can do whatever you want. But I think for now I'm going to click on download. It says sign up with Google. So I'm going to not do it because you can download and you can JPG or PNG, whatever you like. But I think I'm good. So I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe and click on the notification bell. Bye.